Okay, today we're here at the picnic tables between Soak City and Knott's Berry Farm, and we're here to review these two. This one is a new one. It's Gingerbread Cookie Kit Kat, and then this one I got from Tokyo Central, and it's cookies and cream. I think it's supposed to taste like cookies and cream ice cream Kit Kat. And this one's from actually from Japan. This one's from our local market. Let's see, is there a chair thing? There we go. Oh, it's a tiny little one. It's got a gingerbread guy on it. Gingerbread flavored cream. I don't know about gingerbread flavored cream. If you just gave that to me, I don't know if I would be able to tell you it was gingerbread. Is there any ginger in here? Natural flavors. Oh! I don't really taste the ginger. Let's try these. The Japanese Kit Kats usually have a place where you can write a message to somebody, because in Japan, Kit Kat sounds a lot like a Japanese phrase that means you will win. This one actually comes in it's a short 2-pack. This one's very creamy tasting. Maybe that's supposed to be like the ice cream part of it. We kind of taste the oil or the cookie part. The cream, yes, definitely. You can taste the cream part. I think I like this one better than the gingerbread one. But I'm not sure if you'll be able to find this at your local Japanese store. Actually, I think I bought this at not Tokyo Central. I think I bought it at World Market. They sometimes have, Japanese candies too. So yeah. This one is a good one. This one, if you feel like getting it, you can get it. It is a limited time item though, so it'll probably only be around for Christmas. So let's see, I'll get this one maybe a C, because I didn't think it brought the flavor. This one I'll give a B+. It's very creamy flavor, but not quite as much of the cookie flavor. So, but it is much better than this. So I think I just got this at Ralph's or something. Target. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite of this one since I have some left, and I'll see you in the next one.